Okay, so in the install for this new Picatinny Rail on the 2240 is very simple. And the first thing I did is I took a piece of wood and you just tap this sight and it comes right off. Then you take a 2mm Allen and you loosen the bottom and the top screw in your barrel band. Take off your CO2 cap, and then the barrel band will slide right off. Take the new Picatinny piece, made in the USA by somebody with a 3D printer, and you slide that on. And it fits really snug, so you can get so far with it. Then just take a piece of wood or something and tap it like so. That's it. Now it's tight against the trigger part of the gun right here. So now this is on, and that's all you got to do. That thing will not budge. Solid as a rock. So now, just take your barrel band, slide that back on, right up tight. Take your 2mm Allen, tighten this up. This needs to be a little snug, don't need to grill with it. Because these screws are really small, I don't want to strip them. And that's done. CO2 cap back on. Put it on like that. Might as well just put the sight back on, it's not going to be in the way. Just slide it on, taking the block of wood and give it a little tap. Yeah, so now it can't come back off. Then, take your bed dot sight, you can put it right on. Right there. Screw a little more. Yeah, that looks good right there. That's where I want it. And just snug that back up. And that's it. There she is. Pretty neat, huh? Picatinny Rail, you didn't have to take the barrel off or the breech or anything. Just the barrel band, the sight, and the CO2 cap. Okay guys, that's going to be it for the simple installation of putting this Picatinny Rail. You got a top rail and you have something on the bottom you can use for a flashlight or whatever. But it's under $10, it's on eBay, and I'm going to show you a picture of what his ad is on eBay if you're interested in getting one. I think it fits nice and tight, it's awesome. And cheap. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.